Good morning from Sepulveda Basin. Check out this sea of yellow back here with this invasive mustard plant. Yesterday was the hottest day of the year, so coming out here by the water to see who's stopped to take a dip since we're in the midst of the spring migration. Let's check it out. I really wanted to shoot the yellow warblers. I heard two of them calling there, just couldn't get a shot of them. But by the end of today, I hope I get at least one shot of those. There's a lot going on here today. Pretty interesting. Now we know why it's called the Symphony of Sounds, with all the bird song in the background. Oh man, so I got the slip from the yellow warblers. I could hear a lot of them calling in the brush, but I just couldn't get a shot. But so I think what I'm gonna try and do is get some nice compositions in this yellow mustard field here. Not sure if you can see it. But interestingly enough, there's a lot of common yellowthroats in here. So I'm gonna try and make some compositions out of this. It's in full bloom, even though it's invasive plant. I guess I'll make what I can out of it. All these yellows and purples, because once it dries out, this whole field will become a tinderbox, and then they catch on fire real easy. Looks beautiful though. Oh, I just saw a pair of lazuli buntings. The day is getting promising. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. It is very hot. I'm sweating. Even the song sparrows look cool in this stuff. All this yellow stuff here. But hey, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.